to hold about $15 billion more in capital. Marigold International Bullion Dealers started as a property investment group in Hong Kong before a move into metals with the acquisition of RNA Holdings Limited in 2007. The company is now offering direct bullion dealing services to investors here in Australia and is forecasting significant growth over the next 12 months. Well, Sky News business reporter Joel Crean spoke with the company's first international director, Keith Falconer, in Melbourne.
Well, it's not the push in Australia, it's a global push because they are represented in Hong Kong, Philippines, Kuala Lumpur, London, Dubai, North America, Central America. Australia's another region they think they should offer their services to the high net worth people here in Australia.
And what sort of demand are you forecasting in the near future?
Well, we're not sure at this stage because we haven't tested the water, but the chairmen of Marigold International Bullion Company and myself will develop a marketing plan. We'll have our business plan, and part of that marketing plan, which we'll develop over the next few weeks, we'll be looking at possibly high net worth Australians. Maybe there's some opportunity for the self-managed super funds, but they do see a big opportunity here.
It's fair to say gold companies have been attractive for local investors, but the volatility of it and being expensive to extract, often it's been failing to deliver for mum and dad investors. On that note, why is there this increase in demand for Australians to have direct access to gold bullion?
I think it's a good service they're offering to the Australians because we haven't had this service before. I think the Perth Mint does offer the service, but they're mainly coin. I'll stand corrected. And this, as I see, is a good opportunity for my personal friends here in the country. We can deliver physical gold, or we can have certified it and have it held in Hong Kong. I think over the next 6 to 12 months we'll see some good transactions done here in Australia.
And can local investors here in Australia expect the same kind of service as those in Hong Kong or Zurich, for example?
Very much so. They have a team that's been working here for 12, 11 months, and each investor will be given a trader, and the trader will help them through. If they're not just buying physical gold and letting it sit in an account or a safe deposit box somewhere, if they wish to trade and spot trading, they will have a full service from one of the traders.
And where do you see the gold price heading over the next 12 months? Well,
the team at Marigold International Bullion Dealers can see it going through 2,000 very shortly, getting up as high as 2,500 per ounce in the middle of next year.
By the sound of things, it's a worthwhile investment option for plenty of investors here in Australia.
Most Australians, I think, start off by buying a home and a car, and then when they work a little bit longer, they get into shares, both locally and international. They might have a little bit of fixed interest, term deposit with a bank. They might buy other properties, holiday home, and they have a little bit of cash. Now, I think this is an alternative, and if mums and dads and other people can see they can actually hold a kilo of a bar of gold, they'd be pretty excited. And although the advantage of gold is it's got a tax benefit, can be traded very well, and you know, it's there for the long term.
Stay with us. Up next, we're going to